It has been a hectic day for travelers after a major snowstorm traveled across the Midwest, crippling major interstates and leading to delays at airports nationwide. More than a foot of snow came down in parts of the Midwest and Great Lakes regions over the weekend, generating dangerous conditions for drivers and air travelers alike. 73 million drivers were expected on the roads over the week of Thanksgiving, and yesterday was the snowiest November day on record in Chicago. More than 8 inches fell at O'Hare Airport, where one traveler was amazed at how much snow could cause such a catastrophe.
I've never seen this much snow because we're from Mississippi, so this is our first time seeing this much snow. So that was awesome, but I didn't realize it would cause so many delays.
And weather wasn't the only thing complicating the rush home. JetBlue canceled at least 70 flights today as it worked to update software for a portion of its A320 and A321 fleet.